Hi, this is David and Kelly, and welcome to our home. So Kelly, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, it's that time again. It's time for the big question. This week we have people asking us, when I start looking for homes, what do I need to be looking for?
Well, I would say first, can you picture yourself living there? When you're walking through the house, does your dining room table, will your dining room table fit in the dining room? Will your couch fit in the living room? And then I would say, kind of put your inspector's hat on, kind of look at it with a fine-tooth comb type of thing. I mean, are there cracks in the walls? Are the doors sticking? Is there rust on the air conditioner unit outside? You know, that sort of thing. Pay attention to things that might cause you problems in the end. And then the third thing I would say is look, it's hard to do, but look past, you know, that particular owner's taste and style. So if the kitchen is painted funny or is there wallpaper that you don't prefer, try and look past that, even though it's hard, to see your personal touch and style on it. Because those things are usually not very expensive to change, and you can put your kind of thumbprint on it. So that's what I would say.
Well, that's some good information, and I know that preference is a big deal because we almost didn't buy a home because of that.
Exactly.
Well, we appreciate the question. If you have a topic for our next video series, feel free to leave us a message below. We would love to hear your feedback. Well, thank you for joining us today, and stay tuned for the next big question.
See ya.
What I'm thinking is you might be able to go back and do a sequence of just our high fives. High five. Bring it up top. Okay. High five up top. Okay, let's give it.
Change another one.
Wait, did you like Tanner? Line up your elbow. Because if you line up your elbow, you always have your hand in the right spot.
Hi, this is David and Kelly, and welcome to our home. So Kelly, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Well, good, I'm glad.
Let's do it one last time.
Yeah, because I had a frog in my throat half the time.
Well, this peak week, people are writing.
This peak week.
This peak week.
It's the peak of the week. It's Wednesday.
It's peak week. Okay.
We're going to do it again.
Okay.
There you go.
3, 2, 1.